Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, the fuse for the DRL, also known as daytime running lights or adaptive headlights. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, how to test it, why it's very important to test it, and common mistakes people make when replacing a fuse or relay that can cost you guys practically thousands of dollars in damages. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll try to save you quite a bit of money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people, guys, will open the hood and they will just hope that the fuse is really accessible and it's somewhere here, right in that fuse box maybe, but it's not, guys. It's a different location. It should work on V6, V8. We specifically have a 2018 year model here, but sometimes if you have problems with headlights, things like that, guys, after replacing the fuse, you may need to use a computer to reset the codes from the body control module and other modules as well. And this is one of the our best tools for the price. It's amazing. It can pay itself off in one-time use. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, but you can, guys, practically work on any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system in your car. It can delete codes, you can read codes, see live data, guys. And some of these new cars may have, like that BMW, more than, guys, 60 computers, so a tool like that, it's a must. So if you replace the fuse, you still have problems, you might need to check the system and reset the codes. So let's explain where that fuse is located now. So you need to come to the trunk, you need to lift the trunk liner here, guys, and once you do that, you're going to come and find out that you have your spare tire here. You will have the car battery as well. And 3 common mistakes people make now. Number 1, people, guys, will not disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, and often it is recommended, especially for important ones. Otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system modules, components, computers, and that can cost you quite a bit of money. Number 2, on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can, guys, actually cause damage to the electrical components too. How we know that? We burned the airbag module on a Mercedes and that cost us $2,000. So there is a special video that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. Next, right here is the fuse box that we need for that fuse, guys. So we're going to press here for the DRL lights or adaptive lights, lift it up and open it. You can see right here, that's where all your fuses and relays are for the body control module practically. Mistake number 3 that people make, they do not test fuses and relays. They will just look through the fuse and try to find if it's good or bad. That's a big mistake, because sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is burned and you may just end up spending time and money, guys, that you didn't have to. So always test fuses. We'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Here we're going to come and remove, okay, that relay, it's in the way. So we can show you now. The fuse that we need to find specifically is fuse number 47. So starting from the very left side, right here, even if you have a missing one, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5th fuse right here. That's for the DRL or adaptive headlight. Check it out, guys. That's the fuse that you need. Make sure you install your relay later. If they still do not work, reset the codes. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.